Mountains. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Rocky Ridge, a beautiful neighborhood located in the northwest part of Calgary, Alberta. This area sits on one of the highest points in the city, giving it amazing views of the Rocky Mountains and wide open skies. Rocky Ridge was officially established in 1998 and was named for its natural rocky landscape and elevated ridge. It's a quiet residential community with lots of green space, walking paths, and access to parks and nature. Rocky Ridge continues to grow, offering a peaceful lifestyle while still being connected to the rest of Calgary through nearby roads and the Tuscany LRT station. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.